Okay, so we've got this problem, and they want us to rewrite this function that they gave us as a sum of rational functions. All right, so the function they gave us is f of x is equal to 2 over x squared plus 9x plus 20. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and factor my denominator, and the factors of 20 are 20 can factor as 20 and 1, 10 and 2, 5 and 4, 4 and 5, 2 and 10, 1 and 20. Alrighty. But I see that 5 and 4, when I add those together, I get 9. So that's what this factors as. This denominator factors as x plus 4, x plus 5. Alrighty, so I can rewrite this function as 2 over x plus 4 times x plus 5. And what they want me to write this as is they want me to write it as something, I'm going to call it A, something over x plus 4 plus something, I'm going to call it B, over x plus 5. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply by x plus 4 times x plus 5 to both sides of my equation. All right. So whenever I do this, this denominator will cancel. And what I'm going to be left with is 2 is equal to A. I can distribute this whole term here to my first term and my second term. Whenever I do that, I'm going to have A over x plus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 5 plus B over x plus 5 times x plus 4 times x plus 5. All right. So this x plus 4 and x plus 4 will cancel. This x plus 5 and x plus 5 will cancel. And what I'm left with is 2 is equal to A times x plus 5 plus B times x plus 4. All right. So what I'm going to do is, this is kind of like a, this is how I was taught to figure out these types of problems. We're going to split it into two parts. If x equals -5 and if x equals -4. All right, both of these are possibilities. I don't have any issues with that. Those could be my numbers. I could pick x to be either of those numbers. But in this case, the x equals -5, what happens is I'm going to have 2 is equal to A times -5 plus 5 plus B times -5 plus 4. And right here, this is 0. So I don't have to worry about the A, and I'm going to get 2 is equal to B times -1, which gives me negative B is equal to 2, B is equal to -2. And I got one of my numbers. Now, likewise over here, if x is -4, whenever I plug it in, I'm going to have 2 is equal to A times -4 plus 5 plus B times -4 plus 4, which is 0. So this term goes away. And what I'm left with is 2 is equal to A times -4 plus 5 is 1. So A is equal to 2. So now I have my A and my B. So my final answer is, scroll up here, f of x. I'm sorry, my kitty cat is meowing. F of x is equal to 2 over x plus 4 plus -2 over x plus 5. This would be my final answer.